Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust GMC Sierra headlights. Park your truck on level ground 3 to 4 meters from a flat wall and ensure normal tire pressure. Then measure headlight center height from the ground and mark the wall with tape at that height. This setup gives a repeatable reference and saves time when you make vertical and horizontal adjustments at the headlight housing. Warm up the headlights briefly so they stabilize, then sit in the vehicle to simulate normal load while someone else turns on the low beams. Back the truck to the marked distance and observe the beam cutoff relative to the tape line. The top of the bright area should sit at or just below the center mark. Make small turns of the vertical adjuster, recheck both sides, and confirm symmetry for safe night driving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it pairs oddly well with practical projects. Save time on finances to fund garage upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After vertical alignment, focus on horizontal aim to keep the road illuminated without dazzling others. Use the horizontal adjuster to nudge each beam so the brightest portion is slightly right of the marked center line, matching typical road conditions. Small increments matter, so reevaluate from the driver's seat and on the wall after each tweak. Final checks on a test drive at night confirm proper spread and aim for comfortable, safe visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.